Cribl stream functions, drop. The drop function is used to remove unneeded events from your data pipeline. This can help reduce the volume of data being processed and stored. The drop function works by applying a filter to determine which events should be discarded. For example, you can configure the drop function to remove events based on specific criteria, such as event codes, login types, or even field values if you want. And this really prevents the events from continuing down the pipeline and being hit by other functions or actually use more resources. So what we have on the left is I have a bunch of events, and then on the right I use the drop function to get rid of everything with severity of 0. Maybe I just don't care about that. So let's take a look and see how easy it is actually to do that. Okay, here we are back in stream and in processing and in pipelines. I'm going to add function, go under standard ones, and I can just grab drop here. And I'm going to use this one here, go see what options are here. And what I'm going to do is, let's see, I'll use as I said before, I'll use the severity. So I'll just copy this in here just to save myself a little bit of time. And I'll do equals 0. And I'll save this. And I'll scroll down. Let me get rid of this, clean this up a little bit so it's shorter ones. And as you can see, I've got some deleted right here. I'll open that one up a little bit. See, that was severity 0. See, told you it was easy. But there's a lot of power in the drop function. You can use regex to actually, not just looking for a specific signature, but actually a shape. So once again, check out the documentation on drop function.